Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix you currently do not have Microsoft Webview2 Runtime installed in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for Chrome. The moment you have typed that, please proceed with the best match and click on open to continue. Okay, so you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser, where here you need to proceed at the search bar in the center. You just have to wait until the search bar would be available for us. Okay, so once it's here, please type for download space web view 2 runtime and click on enter the moment you have typed it and go with the best match which has this Microsoft Edge Web View 2. Click on it so that you would be able to proceed. Okay, so once you have successfully navigate yourself here, you can see there Microsoft Edge Web View 2, where it has these three options. You need to proceed with download, click on it, and wait until it will be downloaded in your Windows. Okay, in my case, I have already downloaded such. Okay, but in your case, you have to do so. So click on download and wait until it will be downloaded. And once you have downloaded that, install that in your Windows. Okay, once you have installed it in your Windows, you need to close this window and try to run again the application or program that you want to install or run here in your Windows or computer. I'm sure it will be working this time on. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded. I would love to read all of those. Thank you for watching and have a good day.